Okay boys, so this video now is going to be on the UNIDEN President AX-14, and yes, that's not the regular knob, but she was missing a knob, so I put one on her. But anyways, that's the microphone that came with her. I don't know if it came with her, but that's the one I got with her. Jesus, so is it? My son, that's a handful. But anyways, so she did have some problem, there you go, coming and going there. So basically what this radio features, it features your squelch control, your volume on and off, you have your CBPA switch, A&L on or off, RF gain on or off, channel selector, transmit light, channel selector, channel display rather, and your S meter, which appears not to be working in this radio. But anyways, so let's check the power output here on this radio. Test 1 2 3 1 2 3, and she's about 5.5 watts. So she's actually a watt, a little bit over a watt. More than she's supposed to be doing. She's supposed to be doing 4 watts, but she's doing 5, so what's a watt? So you can make it all bent out of shape over that, but get bent out of shape, I don't care. So anyway, yeah, so that's the UNIDEN President AX-14. So on the back you have your channel selector, your external speaker, and your jack for your PA speaker as well. So there we have it. And she's also nice and chromey like. Nice, eh? Nice chrome. She's a nice little radio. I like this one, I got to say. I'm a fan of the AX-14. First time ever being up close and personal with one, and I can tell right away that I like this particular little critter. She's pretty cool. So then this is the inside of the UNIDEN President AX-14. So basically, once again, you have your PLL over here, you have your RF output right here, your pre-driver there, the amplifier is hiding in behind here. You got a bunch of controls here. You control squelch, you control your RF gain, AMC, all that foolishness. You can do all by the controls. Get your mic jack over here. You got a bit of electric tape special going on here. I guess somebody's messing around with the audio circuit at some point. And antenna. Then you got the 2 jacks there for your speaker and that PA down here. So yeah. So let's take a look at the solder side of the board. Something a little bit interesting on this one that I've got my soldering iron warmed up for. So let's take a quick peek. All right, and we have the solder side of the UNIDEN President AX-14, and the soldering is not too bad. Not too bad. It looks pretty similar. Soldering to the TRC 474 we just looked at. It's not as clean as the TRC 415, which I'm quite surprised. Very surprised that the President didn't do a cleaner job on the soldering. Yes, it does the job and all that. Yes, I understand that, but it's just the 415's board looks cleaner and more professional to me, well built, than the 474. And unfortunately, the AX-14 is very similar to the 474. But anyway, let's get back to why I've got the soldering iron going. Well, I found a cold solder joint on this board, and it's coming right from the antenna connector, believe it or not. The problem lies over here. Let's see if we can zoom in there. So yeah, let's get right down close here. See how close we can get. Let's zoom in. Oop, too much. Yep, that little piece of metal that you see. Let me see if I can get my pencil on it right here. See that moving? Yeah, that's the actual antenna connection, believe it or not. So yeah, I'm going to solder that back on. I'm believing that's part of the problem why the receive kicked in and kicked out a little bit there. Might have something to do with it, don't you think? Anyways, I'm going to get that soldered up and I'll be right back. And here we go. Resoldered. So that should take care of any of the receive problems like what you was having. But yeah, so there we have it. And the speaker in the AX-14 is 16 ohms, if anybody was wondering. It's not 8 ohms, it's 16 ohms. So the only repair really that this radio is going to need is a new S meter right here. So you're going to need another S meter. So as soon as I locate another S meter, this one's going to be changed out. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the videos, and we got another little critter coming up next. It's not a CB, but it's actually an amateur radio. It's I'm going to put back on the bench the Yaesu FT620B. She's going to be put back on the bench here again, and see if we can't actually get some decent power out of the PA. Right now, the most I can get out of her is about 3 watts sideband, 1 watt AM, and that is completely useless. But anyways, enough of that. Hope you enjoyed the videos. If you do, please like the video, comment, and of course subscribe and share with the world. Anyways, this is Reno 63 out.